9 incredibly useful packing hacks for moving. Not your first time at the rodeo? Then you know boxes, labels and shipping tape can add up quickly. Things like pillows, blankets, and your triple FAT goose jacket take up lots of space when packing. If you compressed items like these, you'd be able to pack more lightweight stuff into fewer boxes. The problem is vacuum space bags are expensive. A set of 3 large bags costs around $20. Packing and labeling your stuff by room sounds like a smart plan. Until you find yourself needing a particular item, like a vegetable peeler that could be in any one of the 10 kitchen boxes you packed. Locating the sticky end of a roll of shipping tape can be challenging. The struggle gets real and oh so annoying when the tape tears off into chunks or stringy shreds instead of neat and tidy pieces. Bubble wrap and packing peanuts aren't cheap. Sure, you can use stuff like towels, sheets, and clothing to protect your breakables. But unless the things you're boxing are squeaky clean, you're going to have a ton of laundry to do after you unpack. Make your move transparent using Ziploc bags. Not only are they ideal for packing and protecting important papers, cords, furniture screws, you name it, but you can reuse them to organize small items after the move. After you move, you're going to need some stuff like soap and a clean towel for washing your hands. Creating a few problem-solving kits kept handy in transparent boxes or a large suitcase will keep the bare essentials at your fingertips until the dust settles. Here's a list of suggestions. A little bit of kitchen plastic wrap will stop liquid toiletries from leaking while in transit. To do, take the cap off and place a small sheet of plastic wrap over the opening. Next, put the cap back on. FYI, this hack will also prevent packed stuff like your shampoo from leaking on airplanes. Sure, you can use white kitchen trash bags as garment bags during your move. But trust us, they will rip open before you get your clothing onto the truck. A better option is to use heavy-duty outdoor trash bags. They don't tear open as easily, so you can reuse them later for garbage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.